In the future primary school, a theme math activity has been launched with various events, such as a school-wide poetry competition, amusement fair, and sports festival. Among them, the poetry competition consists of two parts. The result is that 12 students in the class scored full marks. 25 students answered correctly in the first part, and 19 students answered incorrectly in the second part. How many students answered incorrectly in both parts? Because this question is a little bit confusing. That is because there are two parts, and for every single question, there are two different results. Actually, when there are two groups of people, we can just use two circles to represent it. And the second, if the first one means the students who got the first part correctly. So 12 students got full marks. That should be the students who is in the middle between the two things. These 12 students, they score full marks. And 25 answered correctly in the first part. So label 25 under the first circle. And 19 answered incorrectly in the second part. We can't get it because incorrectly in the second part, that means that is outside the two circles, but not that is just outside the blue circle, but they can also be in the yellow circle. How many students answered incorrectly in both parts? This question wants us to find how many students are not in the two circles. Actually, as you can see here, if we have already known outside the blue circle, there are 19 students. So in this part, there are 19. And the second, we just want to find how many students there are in they are outside the two circles altogether. So in other words, we just need to calculate how many students who only got the first question wrongly. If you use the Venn diagram to solve this question, it will be super easy. Because the students who get the only first one correct, that should be 25. All the students who got the first part correctly, minus the students who got both correctly, it is 13. In this way, we can get in the red shaded part, there are 13 students. And because altogether there are 19 students who answers incorrectly in the second part, so we need to take away the 13 from this 19 to get who gets neither correct, which should be 6. We learned how to draw the Venn diagram. That's because we want to use it to solve a question quickly. Draw the diagram and find your target in the diagram to see what is the relationship between your target and the given conditions. That is how we solve this kind of problem.